Alright, we're here in my new garage tent. I got the tent connected to the car so it doesn't blow away. It was pretty windy today. We got our power right here, which is running the new. This is the other one I bought. I bought a portable one and I bought one for the trailer. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. With this one, I think I'm going to put it in my garage. Or I might use it for blowing under the car to warm the battery up. Who knows what I'm going to do with it. But can't really see the display. It's very dim. Yeah. Anyways, this is the first start up. I just put a little bit of fuel in it. As you can see. And see if it'll start up the first time. It's funny, they got a wire hanging out here. It's actually a terrible little setup, but it's pretty, still neat. Oh, there goes the fuel pump. This is the plastic case. Unfortunately, it's not a metal case. Oh well, what can you do? At least the whole thing's in a metal case. Should start ramping right up. I have the exhaust hopefully far enough away from the tarp so it's not going to melt, because that would not make me very happy. See how long this takes for this to set up. I'll get back to you. Well, she just started up. First try. I guess the lines are short enough in this. That's cool. So let's see here. Just going out to the driveway at the back. Should be just fine. Got a huge gap all the way along. Got to put something there. Gonna have to. Same with the other side. The other side's a zipper edge. Nothing really I can do there. The sides are all nice down to the ground, but yeah. Well, that's it. She cut out. Wasn't putting enough heat out. So what I'm gonna do is cycle it. Don't do that ever when it's really hot, because if you do, you can end up melting some stuff or cracking it or whatever. But it didn't get too hot. I can still touch it. It's barely warm at all. So we're gonna go through this one more time and it should boot up. It looks like it's on an angle, but it's not. It's just the way it is. Well, it is probably on an angle, but yeah. I want to see if this thing's better for heating in here or if it's the Mr. Heater body. The thing is, that puts off a little bit of a smell. Not a big fan. And if this thing will heat, or at least bring it up to above freezing in here, that'd be awesome. At least if I obviously get rid of that gap all the way across. This is just for my winter maintenance on my vehicles mostly. It is also nice for keeping the snow off the car or the Jeep or whatever my wife is driving. But that's the main purpose of this tent, is for vehicle maintenance. Anyways, I'll update you when this thing gets roaring. Oh, it's making this weird sound. Mostly just out the exhaust. Almost no smoke. Starting to get a tiny bit of heat out. There you go. That's sweet. I have it turned up to max. Might as well give this thing a test. See what it can do. Let's see here. Okay, so that's not what we want. Oh yeah, this thing's going. This one's a bit different than my other one. I'm gonna have to figure this one out all over again. So now this is at full throttle. Starting to get Right now it's shooting out about lukewarm air. But it is warming up, and it's freezing out here, so it's -10. Oh, it's ramping up even further. Look at that. Wow, this thing shoots a lot of air, man. Forgot how much it shoots out at high. I don't doubt this would heat this at all. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might give you one more clip.